Hello everyone, and today we're going to cook trilog, or my ate's special favorite dish. It's very simple to make and it only has 5 ingredients, so let's get started.
Now you're gonna want to cut some hot dogs and nuggets like that. Yeah, cut them hot dogs and nuggets. I cut the nuggets in 4 pieces. I mean to 2. Yep. Then after that, you're gonna want to put oil in a pan or something. Then put your nuggets and hot dogs there. Make sure the oil is hot and cook it. And after for like 2 minutes, or after like 2 minutes, you're gonna have to put an egg on it. Then mix it all together. And after it's all done, after the eggs all mixed and done, you're gonna put them in a bowl. Put what you just cook in the bowl. Then go get some rice. It's preferably cold rice because the food is already hot, so you can have cold rice. Then you're gonna have to put mayo and mix it all together, and you have your trilog.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you will try this simple and quick meal to satisfy your cravings.